Hey guys, this is Rachel Jenkins. I'm your instructor for 0124 English, Intermediate English. So I wanted to just give you a little quick welcome video and kind of show you some things that you need to know for our course. I'm going to go to our dashboard in Canvas, and this is your course here. Now, for the beginning, we're using the novel Holes. Now, the novel Holes is normally considered to be kind of a children's book, but it's a great book, and I love it, and the movie is great too, and I'll put a link in there for the movie at some point in our course. And so everything that I do is kind of going to be around Holes. The topics for essays and paragraphs will all kind of be using Holes. Now, the first thing you'll have to do is read the book, and if you look for textbooks, there's Holes that you can look at and access. Evergreen is our textbook. I use it mainly as a resource, and but it's a good book, and I think you'll find a lot of interesting information and useful information. I've been on the phone with a Cengage rep today. We've had some issues getting it into your class. One thing that happened with 0124 students is that this class, you have to go to Heinz Raymond bookstore and pick up like your bundle, because you're going to need the code to access it online here. Now, this was a mistake through, I think, the bookstore, not me personally. So you can also call the bookstore and get it shipped to you. Okay, there is that option, but I will be sending you out some information tomorrow that will tell you more about how to access this book. But you should already be reading Holes, and right here, if you click on that, that will take you to a copy of the novel. You can also check it out at the library or the Heinz Library or anywhere, okay, but you do have access to it here. All right, one of the first things you need to know is that your assignments are always up here in announcements. The general stuff for the course, though, is under the syllabus tab. Here is your course policy sheet, so that's pretty much your syllabus. It gives you information about, here, I'll just go ahead and access it real quick. It tells you the textbooks you need, our grading scale, how many writings we have to do. So we have 2 paragraphs, we have 1 essay, a second essay, and then you will have a final exam. Okay, and this gives you the percents. Your proctored testing will be paragraph 2 and essay 2. Okay, but it gives you all the information you need to know about the class, about attendance. Do know that you can miss 2 weeks of work. Okay, and then after that second week, you're given an NOA through your email that lets you know that you've missed the class, that you need to come back, you need to contact me. On that third time, you're dropped, either with a WP if you're passing at the moment, or WF if you're not. Okay, it kind of helps you with your financial aid, the WP and WF. Every week, I will give you an assignment that is the roll call assignment, meaning if you complete that, that is your attendance. You can click on your calendar here. You can kind of see week by week, and the roll call assignments are right there, pretty obvious for you. Now, this one, I don't know what I did there. Sorry. I would print this out and just have it near me, so I kind of knew what we were doing every week. You'll notice that last week was the quiz 1 on Holes. This week is a discussion board. Like when you complete that, I give you a grade for the assignment, and you're also counted present. Okay. And I also tell you that in the weekly assignments. Proctored exams. Now we have 2, and I will be reminding you about those as we get to it. If you use Smarter Proctoring, you have to make an appointment ahead of time. So if you want to go to a lab, click on Smarter Proctoring and start signing up for those exams. Okay, you have to have an appointment. Our labs are pretty much at functional operation, like they used to be before. The only thing is they do not do walk-ins, so you have to have an appointment. Now, you can also use HonorLock, which means you don't have to make an appointment ahead of time. You do it at home. You do have to have certain things like really good Wi-Fi and or access to good Wi-Fi, and you need a camera so that the proctor can see you. Okay, this gives you more information for that. All right, if you go back to the home page, just quickly, I wanted to show you this. Every week, you will see, to see our assignments for this week, click here, and you'll go to an overview page, which is in the week 3 module. But one, it kind of tells you some things like your proctor writing, so make sure that you're aware of those things. Then it tells you the discussion board, it gives you the assignment, tells you it's the roll call. We talked about this, and I'm going to do another video in a minute for this week, so it'll give you some help. But this tells you what to do. It gives you links, and then the outline. Now, the discussion board and the outline are the same thing. So your discussion board topic you're talking about a difficult time in your life. You're also doing that here for your outline. Okay. Know that all of these assignments are always due on or before 11:59 at Sunday night, but sometimes you need to come here to find out all the information. Okay. So you can find that on the link on the home page or up here in the announcements. Okay. You can also come over here to your inbox to send me a message if you have any questions. I will be getting you more information about your textbook tomorrow. But just let me know if you're having any issues, and I'm really glad that you're part of this class. Sorry, now I have to figure out how to end it.